Eso, eso, Camila, eso.
The cat probably thought, I've got ears like radar, I can hear everything. And then it went on a little listening adventure.
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy.